Our story starts in the domain of Konung Arnar, the glorious Viking leader. The old man was incredibly rich and cunning, and the glory of his past victories still shines. But Arnar's time was drawing to a close. Arnar had two sons. His elder son, Rorik, was a brave Viking known for his brave feats, a worthy heir to his father. His younger son was named Ingolf. The Konung entrusted his younger son with an important mission and sent him off to sea. The Vikings sailed into the setting sun. But one night, a storm hit. It scattered the fleet and drove Ingolf's Drakar up on the rocks. Start. I will get it done. I will do it. Ready. Yeah, I'm coming. We'll fix it. The bridge is ready. I will get it done. You did it. Unbelievable. Listen, Ingolf, what's in the chest? Why is it so important to you? Well, my father, Konung Arnar, told me a story before I set off on my journey. Back in the days of his youth, he obtained a gold ring that promised wealth and glory to its owner. Indeed, Arnar became rich, and his glory shone throughout our lands. But one day, the Konung met with a red-haired midget who offered to buy the ring. He begged, he threatened. When he realized that he wasn't going to get what he wanted, he cursed the ring and all the Konung's gold. Turns out, the curse got through to my father after all. He is no longer pleased by drunken feasts or by the love of women. Things have gotten pretty bad for him. That midget must have been a dwarf, or maybe even Loki himself. Father said I'm the only one who can deliver our family from this curse. I must take the ring to the midget. Behind the sea where the sun sets, there is an island. On that island, there is a mountain. They say that's where he lives. To protect us from the curse of the ring, my father locked it up in an iron chest. So we went sailing into the setting sun to find the midget and to give him the ring. Let's go. Yeah, I'm coming. I will do it. We'll fix it. It will be done. we're strong. Ready. It doesn't work. It will be done. Work is finished. I'm already on the road. Yeah. The work is over. We'll fix it. The bridge is ready. It will be done. I'm already on the road. We need more food. It will be done. The level is finished. Unbelievable. Let's go. Yeah. The building is upgraded. Together we're strong. We'll build it. It will be done. The house is ready. We'll build it. I will do it. Is ready. I will do it. I will do it. Yeah, I'm coming. I will get it done. Work is finished. Yeah, I'm coming. It will be done. I can't do it. I will do it. Yeah, I'm coming. We'll fix Ready. It. Yeah. The work is all built. I will get it done. I will do it. I will do it. I will do it. I will do it. I'm already on the road. You did it. Unbelievable.